In this video, you will learn how to split screen on Android phones without third-party apps. The split screen features on Android phones allow you to carry out tasks like watch a video while browsing the web or chat with friends while checking your emails and many more. It is a convenient way to be more productive and efficient with your phone. If you are ready, let's dive in and discover the simple steps you need to split your Android phone screen. I'm going to be opening my Chrome browser. Once you open any app you wanted to use, then click on this hamburger icon. Once you click on the hamburger icon, click on this top area. Once you click on the top area, click on split screen. Once you click on split screen, then you'll be able to select the second app that you wanted to use alongside with your previous app. In this case, I'm going to select this text editor in order to start with my coding. So this is the app I use for coding, and this one is my browser, which will help me to be able to get more ideas each time I get stuck on the codes I'm writing. If you want to close the app above, you can easily drag it up like this and it will close. Likewise, if you want to close the one below, once you are done, you can easily drag it down and it will close. Otherwise, if you want to close everything at once, you can easily click on this hamburger icon again and click on this delete and everything will be gone. So feel free to use it alongside any app you like. So that is how to split your Android phone screen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you for staying tuned. Let me know if you enjoy using this split screen feature on your Android phone. See you all in my next video.